Another day, another video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is going to be all about how you can change language in Assassin's Creed Mirage. First, let's hop into the game. In the main tab of the game, click the Options button. At the top part of the screen, click Interface. Now in here, look for the interface language and then click the downward icon. In here, choose the language you prefer when you are playing the game. Next, click the sound button at the top. Under the general section, look for the voice language, then click the button beside it. It shows here different voice languages, which you can use to play the game.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.